Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can share your Google Keep notes with others. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up your Google Keep. Here I have opened mine, and then for example, I'm going to share this note to others. If we want to share, we can click on this menu, collaborator. Okay, and then you can add the person or email to share with. For example, I'm just going to share it with my another Gmail, another Gmail account. Okay, and you can add more than one person if you want. But here I'm just going to share it with one person, and once we have edited the account we can click on save. Okay, and now the collaborator has been added to this note, so they will be able to edit this note and view this note. Okay guys, and that's all the way to share Google Notes with others. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.